हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू कार एंड बाइक्स गाइड। और आज हम आए हैं वॉक्सवैगन परपरगंज एंड हियर वी आर कवरिंग द न्यू वॉक्सवैगन Tiguan. So don't confuse with the Tiguan and the Tiguan All Space. So VW has launched the Tiguan in the new avatar, and here you can see the front look of this SUV, which now comes with the 5-seat configuration, and the new front design is really good, and the signature front grille of the VW has been deployed in this SUV. New matrix LED adapted headlamps, which is striking, and it has a good throw on the road. And you can see the bold design from the front as well, and also you can see it has basically a facelift version of the new Tiguan, and it has a 18-inch alloy wheels, and it has really fit in the wheel arches as well. And you can see from the side profile here, you can see the garnishing of chrome on the fender, and there are many lines and creases on the side profile. And you can see the design of the car from the side profile is really fabulous. And you can see the chrome lining also on the window area, and here you can see the LED turn indicators on the ORVMs. And here you can see the chrome lining is going towards the end of the car, and the finishing level is top notch as always. And here is the fuel capacity of the Tiguan is 60 liters, and the tire section is 235 sections of tire with 55 profile with 18 inches. And now here we are at the rear look of the SUV, and here you can see the full LED tail lamps as well. And this car is covered from the white taping, because it's directly come from the plant to the showroom, and it is in semi packed condition. You can see the white taping on the SUV as well. And I really like the look of the SUV. It has a bold muscular feel and has a solidness of the SUV is really looking astonishing. And you can see the chrome garnishing which has been done on the bumper as well, which look really good and enhancing the look of the car. And at the back you can have a reverse parking camera as well. And here we are also showing again you from the another side profile of the SUV, and you can see the finishing level of this SUV is top notch from the every angle of the exterior design, and it looks really premium rich, and you feel like you are in a very luxurious SUV, because it has a luxurious segment, but still the finishing and quality levels of the Germans are really top notch as always. And it has also has a roof. You can see the roof of the car is also packed with the white taping, because it, as I told you, that it has come directly from the factory, and it is yet to be basically unpacked, and I went there and basically made the video. Here is the boot of the SUV, and it has a 615 liters of the boot space. You can fit large amount of luggage in the car in this boot area, and if you want more space you can fold down the seats as well. And I must say it is a really spacious boot in the SUV, and you can carry many big luggage as well. And here you can also have a spare wheel as well, which is provided with this SUV. And also it has a first aid kit, and it has a spare wheel and the jack as well. So necessary items are provided with the spare wheel. You can see in the video as I show you. So now guys, it's time to move towards the interior of the SUV. So guys, don't waste the time and let's go inside the interiors of the SUV. So now we are heading towards the interior of the SUV, and the finishing level is top notch. And you can see the digital cockpit of the VW Tiguan is really good, and it comes with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. And I must say VW should provide the wireless Apple CarPlay, but here user needs to connect with the wired USB wire, which has a Type C wires, and you need to basically connect with the phone, and you need to connect with the wires. And it has a really good sound quality as well, but I can't show you the sound because of it may it may come a copyright as well. That's why I have basically muted the video. But everything is soft touch material, from the soft dashboard, from the armrest, and from the handles as well. Everything is soft touch materials which is provided in the SUV, and it really good, and the quality levels as always is a top notch. No need to say anything about it, because Germans are really famous for their quality and fitment as always. And I'm a really big fan of the Germans. And it has also has a 4 wheel drive system. It has a driving modes: eco mode, normal mode, individual mode. And you can set the basically drive mode as per your custom drive mode as per your convenience in the individual mode. So here is the, you can see the digital cockpit which has a TPMS as well, tire pressure monitoring system. It has also equipped with 6 airbags and ABS, EBD as well. You can also have a cruise control and the audio media controls as well. This is a new steering wheel which is provided with this SUV, and the new VW logo, you can see that. So here are the window controls and the ORVM controls which is provided, and here you can have a ambient lighting as well. It has a various color option. You can customize the ambient lighting with the color as you basically as you want. And also you can have a basically LED lamps on the cabin. You can see that here. You can also control for the rear seat lamps as well. So here you can see the vanity mirrors. When you open the mirror, so lamps automatically lit up, and when you close it, it closes automatically. This function operates on both ends, driver and the co-passenger side. And I must say, this is a really good feature. No need to open the lamp manually, so it is synced with the mirror. When you open the mirror, it automatically lit up. That is a really great thing to see that. So guys, this is the interior front view which I have tell you about that. And it also has a 3-zone automatic climate control as well. And now you can control the automatic climate control with a touch sensitive. So it has not a basically buttons. You can have a touch sensitive, so you can control via touching the pad. So it may also distract you from the road as well, because you are not able to identify which button you need to press, but it needs a little attention while adjusting the temperature. So it has an ample amount of legroom on the rear seat. The rear seats also in the reclining position as well. You can recline as per your sitting position as well. It has an option to recline the rear seats as well. So here you can also find the rear armrest as well on the rear seats. So it is provided. So the quality levels on inside the SUV is also very top notch. 3 people can sit very comfortably at the rear seat. No need to worry about it. And the middle passenger can also sit comfortably. The thumb and the middle is not too high, so middle passenger can accommodate very easily. So I must say, this SUV is a really hit in the market. And the price tag in which this SUV comes with, the 32 lakhs ex showroom, and the on road price is 38 lakhs approx daily registration. So guys, thank you for watching the video guys. Keep loving, keep supporting, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Cars and Bikes Guide. Thank you so much. Bye bye.